What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is May 6th. Let's get right to the very first article. Yahoo Finance, you know it's reputable, you know it's legit. Fourth stimulus check. The IRS sends out 1.1 million more payments in the latest round. If you didn't know, nearly 1.1 million more stimulus checks were dispersed this week in the latest batch of payments, according to the IRS. Basically, I'm not allowed to say, who's going to get it, who's not going to get it. But if you didn't watch my last video, allegedly some people will actually receive an additional plus up stimulus payments. Some people will not in the fourth stimulus package, in Joe Biden's package. But as we look right here, second article, first we had Yahoo News, then we have CNBC. More than 1 million, 1.1 to be exact, million new $1,400 stimulus checks have been sent out. Here's who got a payment and who didn't. A new batch of $1,400 fourth stimulus checks has been sent out, bringing the total number of payments issued to 164 million stimulus checks, or $386 billion. The new payment marks an eighth batch, a new eighth batch of stimulus checks, according to Congress-approved stimulus checks in March. Basically, many of the new checks were sent out. The IRS processed tax returns. Like I said, no, I cannot go one by one and answer people in the comments. There's thousands of comments every single day, and the IRS sent me a physical letter in the mail saying I'm not allowed to give tax advice. So if you have any questions, don't comment below. Don't ask me personally. Go to the IRS website, contact them below. I can't answer every single one-on-one person, but what I can do is, if you have an email, if you want to email me, you know what I mean, not only that, hit that like button, let people know, share this on social media, share this on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm just here to get the word out there. CNBC, more than 1 million, 1.1 million new $1,400 fourth stimulus checks have been sent out, and as we see right here, this marks the eighth batch of new stimulus checks. Again, CNBC. We also have Yahoo Money. Every single day I keep you guys updated. Every single day I post daily videos. I want to take 2 seconds. I want to let you know, every single day on my channel, daily videos, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, which I give away free money every single day on my channel and every single video, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, and comment the word of the day. The word of today is free. So next video I will be picking a winner again from this video's comments. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment the word free. Let's get back to the second article. As we see here, basically a new batch of $1,400 stimulus checks have been sent out, guys. More than 1.1 million payments were sent out, according to the IRS. This new payment again marks an eighth batch sent out since Congress approved the IRS fourth stimulus check package, according to Joe Biden. But the government plans to continue issuing new payments on a weekly basis. Not only that, but if you look right here, the latest batch also includes more than 570,000 plus up payments. Who talked about plus up payments over 2 weeks ago? I did. I'm not doing this to pat myself on the back. I'm showing you every single time I talk about it, every single time my source that works inside Congress for almost 6 years now, every single time they tell me something and I have to say legally, I have to say allegedly, take my word for it. I haven't been wrong once. I'm 100% accurate. Everything I tell you is 100% real. If it doesn't come out my mouth, guys, it's not real, right? If another YouTuber said this or that, they're lying to you. They're manipulating you. I keep it 100% honest. Name one time that I actually lied to you, one thing that actually didn't come true. Now, I'm not saying everything I say comes true. Sometimes I do end up talking about things that never come to fruition, right? That happens. It's very hard to get the Democrats and Republicans to come to an agreement, to agree on things, to come to some kind of reasonable negotiation. It's very hard for adults getting paid millions of dollars, to actually do their job. Sorry about that, I went off. But basically, it's hard to get them to agree, to come to some kind of, conclusion, some kind of, compromise. It's very, very difficult. Every single time I talk about something, it ends up coming true. Comment below if you believe me. Just put I believe you, or I remember when you said this literally over 2 weeks ago. Every single time, according to CNBC, I said this literally over 2 weeks ago. When it comes to stimulus check news and updates, not only do I have a source inside Senate, inside Congress, but every single time I talk about something, literally a week or two later, even though I say the word allegedly for legality purposes, it ends up coming true for the most part, right? I'm the only person that always bring you stuff first to market, first before anybody else, before any other YouTube channel. Doesn't matter if they have 1 million subscribers, me, Kevin. I'm always the very first person to talk about it, and they copy me. Not only that, every single time I tell you guys something is 100% genuine. You know it's true. I don't lie. Please do me a favor. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment free, enter the giveaway. I want to give away money. I want to be Mr. Beast 2.0. Please help me. Please share this on social media. Please hit that like button, comment below, guys. Not only that, if you want to support me for literally only 99 cents, for less than $1, hit this white join button on my channel. Not only does every single penny and all the money go to actually continue doing these daily giveaways, which just help someone, if every single person hits join for literally less than $1 for 99 cents, all that money I can continue to give away more money to more people. As a member, you get a diamond next to your name, you get members only emojis, you get members only exclusive content, members only community tab, pictures, videos, live stream, emojis, polls, giveaways. You get to interact with me live. Every single video you get to see first as a live stream before it goes live as a video. If you ever took a look at my comment section, you wondered why some people have different colored diamonds next to their name. How come some people appear in the videos in the chat? What is the live chat? Basically, those are members. Those are people who hit this white join button for only 99 cents. It literally costs less than $1. They support my channel. All the money goes to help someone else in need. It all goes to charity. But those people get perks. They get a diamond next to their name. They get members only emojis. I just went through this, but they also get, live streams. Every single video, it becomes a live stream for my members first. Before it becomes a video, my members get to talk to me live. They get to interact with me. They get to ask me questions, email me. Quickly summarize, all it is just a community of the best people who want to support me, who want to be members, who hit this white join button. That's it for today, guys. Please enter the giveaway. Please share this on social media, Facebook, Twitter. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment. That's it for today, guys. Daily videos, daily giveaways. Peace.